Okay, good morning students. This video explain about the new topic linear search. So linear search and binary search. So these are the two types of technique used to search a particular element in an array. So these concepts are already studied from UG classes in data structure. Okay. So once again recall about this concept. So first we explain about this concept linear search. Okay. So what do you mean by linear? So linear means what? One by one. That means all informations are executed one by one. So that is the concept of linear or sequence. Okay, so is a very simple searching algorithm. In this type of search, a sequential search is made over all items one by one. So every item is checked, and if a match is found, then the particular item is returned. Otherwise, the search continue till the end of the data collection. Okay, so can you clear about this concept? So linear search means to find a particular element from the array. A array can hold lot of elements are there. If you want to find any one element from that array, so if you search from the starting position of an array, okay, then to find comparing with each and every element from leftmost array to the rightmost arrays. Okay, then starting from leftmost part of the array, that means starting from the index number 0. Suppose if you have a lot of elements, example, then this is a array elements, then 10 comma 2 comma 16 comma then 18 comma etc. Okay, so starting from where? So first position. So the index number, how can address the index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So these are the index numbers. So if you want to search a particular element from the array, then so we can starting from the leftmost of the array, leftmost part of the array. Okay, so then after to comparing the first number, then if it is match, then you can find that location of that number. Otherwise, the searching process is continued until to end of the data collection. So this is the technique of linear search. Okay, so linear search means to search the element from one by one. Okay, so given here one of the example diagram. So this in this diagram, so here we have given lot of elements are there. So the elements are 10, 14, 19, 26, 27, 31, 33, 35, 42, 44. So these are the elements in an array. Suppose you want to find the element 33 in this array. Okay, so how can search the element in a linear search? So first to starting from the leftmost part of an array. So this is leftmost part, this is a rightmost part. Okay, so first to take the number, that means 10. Okay, so what is the index number of 10? 0. The next number is 1. The next number is 2. Then 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so actually the array size equal 10. So n equal 10. N is the size of an array. Okay, then how can starting the elements from this array from the first position, that is first position means 0th position. Okay, so first comparing the number, then first if it is to find the number is x. Okay, so x equal 33, x equal 33. So x is comparing with the first number, then if it is found, then return back to that value, otherwise skip into the next number. Okay, the next the 19, then 26, then 27, then up to 33. So actually what is the location of founding element 33? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can find the element in sixth position of the array. Okay, so this is the comparison of linear search. comparison of linear search. Okay, so searching one by one. Okay, so that is the concept. Okay, so where is the location of our founding elements? That element to be founded. Okay, so that is a searching process in linear search. Okay, then let us see the algorithm about linear search. Then linear search of array A, then value X. Array A means what? Array name. Then value means what? Which value can be found. Okay, which value can be found. Sorry, which value can be find. So that element is referred to as value of X. Okay, then step 1, set I to 1. I to 1. The next step 2, if I is greater than n, then go to step number 7. Then if a of I equal x, then go to step number 6. Okay, I is greater than 7 means then how many steps elements in an array? So that is greater than 1, then go to step, that means printing that element is not found in that array. Then suppose if a of I is x equal, then go to step 6. That means a of I is x. That means the element can found that position. Then if you search, that element is present there. So you can print that element. Otherwise, increase the processing steps. That means until to find that element. Okay, so this is an algorithm of linear search. The next one is pseudocode. The pseudocode is a very simple concept. That means the element, if the matching item is exactly equal that value of the array, then return its location. So the end of the process. Okay, then what is the complexity found in linear search? Okay, so can you remember about this complexities? Worst case, best case, average case. Okay, so the worst case performance is big O of n. Big O of n, that means n means size of an array. So worst case means it can be lot of time to searching, because the n is the size of an array. So nth time, what is the size of an array? That much of time, that means that much of elements can be searching through this process. So we can take lot of time for searching. So that is big O of n. Big O of n is the worst case. Then best case means O of n, big O of 1. That means if you find the element first position of the array, so that's best case, then we can take very little bit of time to search that element. So the complexity is big O of 1. So that means to find the first position of array. Average performance means what? Big O of n bar 2. Okay, so that may be variant. Worst case means, that means worst case complexity iterative. Worst case means it can be there is no element in an array, so we get lot of time take to search that element. Suppose there is no element is there, so the time is waste. So the space complexity is big O of 1. Then a linear search runs in worst linear time and makes it most n comparisons, where n is the length of size. Okay, if element is equally likely to be searched. Okay, so this is the concept. As usual, in this paragraph is also explained about the concept of n comparisons. Okay, so so for linear average searching process is variant. Linear search is rarely practical because other searching algorithms and schemes such as binary search algorithm and hash tables allow significantly faster searching for all but. Okay, so remember, so in this paragraph is nothing. So I will stop here only. Okay, so this is then what is the complexity based on the linear search? Worst case, best case, average case, then worst case space complexity is also big O of 1. So that is the complexity. So linear searching algorithm is commonly search the element one by one. So that is linear search or sequence search. Okay, so we can find, otherwise we can searching process starting from the array, then up to find where is the element is located from there. Then if you find that element, then find the location of that element. Okay, so thank you.